I hope up to silk I started the topic, right? We discussed
Yes,
about the
sir.
weaving,
Yes, sir. We discussed about
spinning,
the life cycle of the silk moth also.
yeah, carding, washing, grading,
Sir, and we saw a video on it. Sir, and we saw a video on it.
and you saw the video on it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If anyone of you have any small doubt up to this topic, you can ask me now itself, once.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. How come?
No, sir.
Sir, you can ask questions, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will ask some questions then.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Sir, you call individual person, sir.
Yeah, that I am out. I will do that only.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
call individual persons only. First, we'll start with Jait. Jait, warm up then.
Yes, sir.
Then you are ready to answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a fiber?
Sir, fiber is like there are two types of fiber. Fiber means natural fibers and
No, I'm
synthetic
asking what is
fibers.
the fiber? Just what is the fiber?
Sir, fiber is the product which we convert into clothes.
We'll convert directly fiber into the cloths.
No, sir, there are
No,
many
sir, no, sir.
processes.
See, I'm asking Jait.
Yes, sir.
So remaining people, you can mute yourself. If you know the answer, just raise your hands. That's better. Okay. Yeah, Jait.
Yes, sir.
Can we convert the fiber directly into the cloth?
No, sir, there are many processes. Like for different clothes, there are different processes.
Yeah. Can you explain one thing in that?
Yes, sir. We'll take wool for yes, sir. So wool first they will take the sheep and they will shear, sir, of the wool, and they will take it to scoring. Scoring makes the sheep remove the dust particles and the grease of the sheep wool.
Okay.
Sir, then sir, after shearing,
After shearing,
sorting, sir.
sorting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you do in sorting?
Sir, in sorting, they separate the wool based
They're
on
like we'll separate the different parts of the different textures of the
textures and colors, sir. Like if it's soft, then they'll put all the softs in one place.
Yes, sir.
If they're like scratchy, one place. If they're black, white, brown, like that, sir.
Yeah, good. Ishan.
Yes, sir. After that, we'll get spinning.
Directly spinning. Okay, wait. Jait, it's good. Whatever the answers you are given, it's good. No problem. Just go through once again afterwards, the complete PDF. Next, we'll come to Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the 5 different steps in the processing of wool? What are the 5 different steps in processing of wool?
Shearing, scouring, sorting or grading, and
Sir, can I say?
grading or spinning and spinning.
What about the carding?
Yes, sir. Before the carding, sorry, one second, I'll tell. Shearing, scouring, sorting or grading, carding, and spinning.
Spinning. Okay. Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Just lower your hand. Any doubts? Sorry, first.
No, sir, no doubts. I just wanted to answer. So.
Okay. So, what is the meaning of shearing?
Shearing. Sir, shearing is the removal of fleece of an animal.
Removal of the fleece of the animal. Why we want to do the shearing before the summer season itself? Why not in the winter season or rainy season?
Sir, because if we do it in the summer season, there will be time for the fleece to grow again until winter. But if we do it in winter, they don't have their protective covering, so they feel cold and they'll get sick and also, and due to that, the quality of the fleece will also reduce.
Excellent answer. Very good. You have given the perfect answer for that.
Yes.
Next,
Thank you.
Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Then which part of the sheep will get the good quality wool?
Shoulder, sir, and the abdomen, sir.
Good. Shoulder part and the abdomen part.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the sorting process?
Sir, we will sort different types of foods, sir. There's
Okay.
a quality of food.
So based upon the quality of the wool or based upon the different parts of the sheep, we'll sort the wool into the different piles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Srusti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the important protein present in the wool?
Sir, keratin.
I asked Srusti, okay.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, can you give another question, sir? Yeah.
Yeah. So silk will contain two important proteins. What are those?
Sir, are you asking me?
Yeah, Srusti, you only. Silk is made up of two important proteins. What are those two important proteins? Remaining people who knows the answer, just raise
Cercin
your
and
hands.
fibroin. Sir?
Yeah. What is the
Sir,
answer?
cercin and fibroin.
Keratin and fibroin. Good. Then we'll come to the Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, not Pranav. Kunal.
Yes, sir.
What is fur? What is the difference between the fur and bristles?
Sir, different fur and bristles, sir. Sir, fur is
And the remaining people, be ready with the answer. I will ask you other also. If I ask one question to
Sir,
one
can you
person,
repeat the question?
what is the difference between the fur and the bristles?
Sir, can I say?
Wait.
Sir, short. Sir,
Yeah,
I
we
say
can
now?
continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, short, sir, short, thick, or thin but stiff head, which covers the body of animal, is known as bristle, sir.
Sorry.
And sir,
Bristles means what?
bristles, sir. Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can I say?
Sir, short,
Wait. I will give you a chance, everyone.
short, thick, but stiff head, which covers the body of animals. For example, squirrel, sir, short and thick hair, sir. For
Okay.
example, squirrel, and we use that hair for brush, like paintbrush, and fur. We use and fur is a soft and thick hair, sir, which covers the body of the animal. And examples are dogs, sir. Dogs.
Dogs.
Yes, sir. For example of fur is dogs, and example of bristles is squirrels.
Squirrels. Ritvik, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Yeah. Can you explain what is the difference between the fur and bristles?
Fur is, have a smooth and softy hair, and a bristle have thorny bushes like paint brushes. For example, brushes. Bristles.
Bristles will have thorny bushes.
Bristles.
Then
Yes.
what about the quills?
The quills.
Yeah. You said bristles having the thorny hair-like structure, right?
Yes,
Then what
sir.
about the quills? Is it soft? Yeah, background noise.
So what is it wrong or
Remaining people, you can keep yourself mute when you're not answering the questions, okay? So
my
that,
answer is wrong or correct?
yeah, you answered correct only. Good.
Okay.
Ritvik?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Yeah. What is the quill?
Sir, it have a sharp. Okay.
Aditya, you can lower your hand, no problem. Just raise the hand in the Zoom meeting, that's all. Don't want to raise the. Okay.
Yes, sir. Bristles have a thorny head-like structure, and quills also have like strong and long hair, sir.
Yeah, good. Quills will have the spiny hair-like structure.
Yes, sir.
And bristles will have the stiff hair-like structure
Stiff
only.
hair-like structure means it have a stiff like squirrel's tail, sir.
Yeah, squirrels, this type of will have the bristles. Porcupine will have the quills.
Bristles.
Porcupine will have the
Excuse me,
quills.
sir.
Yeah. Who is
Sir,
this?
we are not sharing screen, sir.
Sorry?
We are not sharing screen.
Sir,
Yeah,
you
I'm not.
We
They
can.
are sharing screen.
I am not sharing the screen. Okay, just now I resume the pause the screen sharing. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it's showing black,
Bristles
sir.
are stiff hair-like structure and spine's hair-like structure is cool, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now,
We cannot see anything, sir, because
yeah,
Sir,
just now I
I can
paused.
see the screen. Sir, I can see the screen.
Just now I
Sir, it's
paused the
black,
screen.
sir.
Yeah, that's
Sir,
what
it is black, sir. Screen sharing.
that's what I'm telling you. I just paused the screen sharing. I'll on the screen sharing. Wait for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And where is
sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
In cotton, the protein is sericin and fibron.
Not in cotton. It is in silkworm. Silk.
Okay. Silicon, sericin, and fibron.
Yeah. In the cotton, it is made up of cellulose.
Okay, so I have a doubt in protein. So I asked.
Okay, good. Next, Cyrus.
Yes, sir.
Then what is a chem?
Chem.
Yeah. KEMP.
Sir, he left, sir. Sir, he left.
He's left out.
Yes, sir. Cyrus left.
Yes, sir, Cyrus left.
Okay, okay. No problem. Sri Vallabha. Sri Vallabha.
Yes, sir.
What is chem?
Sir,
Are you, I think you didn't attend the first and second class, right? Are you there in the
I did. I did, sir.
Are you there in the from first class onwards?
Yes, sir. I did.
You are there. Okay. Then what is the chem?
Sir, Kim,
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Chem is
Sir,
like
chem.
fiber in the
Sir,
wool.
hemp or
Sorry,
chem.
sorry. Cyrus.
Chem is like fiber in the wool.
So the discarded fleece of the or the
Yeah.
discarded part in the fleece, right? The discarded part in the fleece is called as chem. Okay.
Sir, you're telling about chem.
Yeah.
Sir,
Kemp is,
can I say?
Sir,
Kemp
can I
is a-
say?
you already given the answer, right? Kemp is the discarded part of the fleece. That is the waste part of the fleece is called as kemp.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So we'll continue with the topic. Afterwards, again, we will discuss
Okay.
about the previous topics.
Sir,
Today-
this section
Yeah, I will
will
tell.
have
Wait 1 minute. Today, I will tell you the life cycle of the female silk moth. First of all, please listen complete class. I will explain the complete life cycle. Then afterwards, you can ask me the doubts. Okay?
Yes, sir.
5 to 10 minutes, I will explain the life cycle of the female silk moth. In that 5 to 10 minutes, you should keep your mic muted itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
keep your mic mute. Just you say respond. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Can we note it?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Can we note it?
Yeah, you have to note down everything. I will give you homework on this also today.
Sir, which we have to note this all points.
Yeah, I will explain to you. Just respond to the class. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me afterwards.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, already last class we discussed about the 4 type of silks. One is a mulberry silk, tussar silk, muga silk, and the iris silk. So out of the 4 types of silk, mulberry silk is the most common silk moth and the most common silk in the market. So today we'll discuss about the life cycle of the mulberry silkworm. That's the first one. Okay, there are 4 important stages in the life cycle of the silk moth. What are the 4 important stages? First one is laying of eggs. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Next one is a formation of larvae. And third one is formation of pupa. And the last one is again formation of the adults. So these are the 4 important steps takes place in the life cycle of female silk moth. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
first we'll start with here. So
Sir, from where, sir?
yeah, first from the eggs we will start. Okay. First, what will happen? The female silk moth will lay the eggs on the mulberry leaves. The female silk moth will lay around 500 to 1000 eggs on the mulberry silk. Sorry, on the mulberry leaves. Now, what these eggs will happen? The eggs will mature within some days and it will start producing the larvae. Okay, or else you can call as it.
Sir, once you can say again, I didn't understand.
See, first the female silk moth will lay the eggs on the mulberry leaves, first stage. Okay, can you see the tiny yellow color dots, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
these,
sir, we are able to see it.
these dots are called as an eggs on the mulberry leaf. Okay. So once the eggs has came, what happened? These eggs will mature into the larvae, or you can say as a caterpillar. So the caterpillar will comes out of the eggs after some days. Like, can you see the chickens will come out of the eggs, right? Small
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
chicks. Like that, the caterpillar will come out of the eggs after some days. Can you see the black mark here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Initially, it is very small, the caterpillar. But what will happen? The caterpillar will eat continuously the mulberry leaves for 6 weeks. How many weeks?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Sir.
The caterpillar after birth, it will eat the mulberry leaves continuously for 6 weeks. Then after eating, what will happen? The caterpillar will go bigger and bigger, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it will become bigger
Yes,
when
sir.
we...
So
Bigger
it
and
will become
bigger.
the bigger and size. Once it got to the perfect size, now can you see the caterpillar image here?
Sir, you can show first image.
This one. Yeah, wait. I will show that one. Can you see the caterpillar
Yes, sir. We
images?
can see.
Yes,
Like
sir.
larvae. What it is doing here? They are feeding upon the mulberry leaves, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's eating.
These caterpillars are feeding on the mulberry leaves. Now, can you see clearly this one?
Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
one video.
Yeah, I will show you the video also of this afterwards.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, can you see the caterpillar, single caterpillar here?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir, we can.
after 6 weeks, the caterpillar will be like this. Okay. After 6 weeks,
Okay, sir.
the small caterpillar will convert into the bigger one.
Big one.
And it will look like this. Now, can you observe the black color dots around the caterpillar sides of the body?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can see.
dot.
Black dots.
Eyes, sir, the eyes.
That
Yes,
is
sir,
not
we
the
can see.
eyes.
Not eyes.
Okay, eyes cannot be on the body, right?
It's also near the face, sir. Or
Yeah.
muscle, like,
Eyes will be there around here, this part, around this part. Okay.
Sir, our ma'am told this only, sir. In caterpillar, some type of bristles will be. She's the sir. That's why I asked one doubt, sir.
Okay, okay. You asked me based upon the worm, not on caterpillar. I remember that one.
Sir, not sir. Caterpillar also.
Sir, what is that black thing?
Okay, okay, okay. Leave it that on all the things. We'll discuss afterwards. Now, can you see the black color dots, right? Around the sides of the body of the
Yes,
caterpillar?
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
think breathing, I think, sir. Breathing.
It's not for the breathing. I will tell you what is the purpose of
Sir,
that.
I think it's like how to become a cocoon, like how to become a
Yes,
cocoon. It
to
uses the
release
dots.
cocoon,
Yeah.
sir. To
Now,
remove that.
I will tell you, wait. So from this, after becoming the 6 weeks, it will stop eating the mulberry leaves. Up to 6 weeks, it will eat the mulberry leaves. After the
Sir,
6th
because it will
week,
become bigger and it will stop eating
stop
the leaves.
eating the mulberry leaves. So once it stop eating the mulberry leaves, it will release some glands. Gland means what? A type of a liquid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It will release the type of a liquid from these black color holes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when this liquid is coming into the contact with the open atmosphere, like air, it will become the thread-like structure, like this.
Okay, sir.
Understand it?
Sir, means
Yes, sir.
after eating the leaves, it will release glands.
Yeah, it will release the type glands. That is called as one type of a liquid. When the liquid is coming in contact with the open air, it will form the solid thread-like structures. Can you see the thread-like structure here around the cocoon?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
Cocoon.
sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. Now, suppose if you take this as a caterpillar. Okay. This is a square
Okay,
as a
sir.
caterpillar. Now, caterpillar will move continuously, right? Like it will move continuously in the shape of 8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will make
What, sir?
one.
So whenever it is moving
Yes,
continuously,
sir.
whenever it is moving continuously in the shape of 8, there is a formation of thread around the caterpillar, right?
Yes, sir. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir, that type of liquid is fibrin, right?
Yeah. That protein is there, right? Sericin and the fibrin, it will release.
That is fibrin. Sericin, it cements the fibrins.
Yeah. Both are the important proteins only in generation of the silk. Okay. Have you understood up to this point? Any doubts in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The black hole is called glands.
No. The black holes will secrete the glands.
The secret?
Secretes the glands. Secrets
Okay,
means
secrets the glands. What is glands, sir?
gland means suppose if you take human body, the sweat gland we will say, right? Sweat gland means if you take the human body, human beings,
Yes, sir.
we have the sweat
Like
glands.
the salivary glands is all.
Yeah, salivary glands, sweat glands, like this is there, right? So it is also one type of gland. Means continuously it will secrete the liquid part.
And
Okay,
sir,
okay,
the black
glands.
part
Okay,
is
sir.
there any name of it?
Sorry?
Means the black part is there, no, sir. Any name is there for the part name?
Specifically, there is no name for that.
Sir, we should note this all.
Yeah, I will tell you first what is the, I will explain the complete life cycle. Then afterwards I will give the notes. Okay.
Sir, there's a first image.
Wait, I will explain this one part first. Listen first. So once the caterpillar has grown to a particular stage, it will secrete the liquid part from the sides of the body. And when the liquid part come in contact with the air, it will form solid thread-like structure. Okay?
Okay.
So this thread-like structure will cover the entire caterpillar.
Okay, sir.
So whenever it is moving the caterpillar, first it will form like this. Whenever it is moving in the 8 shape, like 8, something like this, the cocoon will cover the entire body of the, the thread-like structure will cover the entire body of the caterpillar.
Okay, sir.
Then after some time, what will happen? The caterpillar will completely covered with the help of the thread lights.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is called as a pupa.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we'll
Pupa.
come back. Yeah. Now can you see here? What is the first stage? Laying of the eggs.
Female laying of eggs.
Next
And
stage.
Laying of eggs, larvae. It is mulberry leaves for 6 weeks and becomes caterpillar, sir.
So laying of the eggs first stage. Then afterwards.
Sir, because of connection I disconnected. Sir, because of connection I disconnected, you can say again that you said some human body I disconnected.
I didn't say anything about the human body and all. I said only as an example, like a salivary glands.
Yes, sir.
That's only one word I have used that one. So don't worry. I'm explaining here once again. Okay. So once the formation of once a female moth will lay the eggs, it will convert into the caterpillar. The caterpillar will eat for 6 months or feed upon the mulberry leaves for the 6 months. Sorry, 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Then it grows into the bigger and bigger size. After that, what will happen? It will secrete the fibrin and the sericin by the sides of its body.
Yes.
So during that stage is called as a larva. So once it starts the secreting the body liquids, what will happen? The thread-like structure will form around the complete larvae.
Yes, sir.
That stage is called as a pupa. In the stage of pupa, what will happen? The white color part is there,
The
right?
caterpillar will turns into the adult moth.
No. The white color part is there, right?
Yes, sir.
That is a liquid that will cover the entire caterpillar. So the caterpillar will be present inside the white color part. Now what it has to do? It has to come out of that white color part, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now it has to come out of that white color part. Then the caterpillar will go into the adult moth, so that it will get the wings to fly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will break that cocoon part, and it will get the wings and it will come out as an adult moth. Then what will happen after coming out of the adult moth?
Sir, it will become.
Again, it will lay the eggs.
And again, from eggs, caterpillar will come.
Again, the caterpillar will come. Again, the formation of larvae will be done. Again, the formation of cocoon will be done. After the formation of cocoon.
Sir, how many days it will be in pupa, sir, to form adult?
Sorry.
After the insect will leave, when then we will get the silk, no, sir?
Yeah. So generally, what we will do now, we'll collect all these pupas.
Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, and we'll boil the pupa.
Yeah, we will boil the pupa.
Because
so that whatever the insects are there inside will die.
Sir, because if the adult moth comes out, the quality of the silk will reduce.
Yeah. But at the same time, you have to produce some number of adult moths, right, to lay the eggs again.
Yes, sir. Half they will.
Sir.
And half.
Generally, we'll use half per.
Sir, I have a doubt. After we will get the pupa, we will boil or we will leave it for days, and after coming the insect, we will take the silk.
No, generally what we will do in the stage of pupa, we'll take half of or at least some quantity for the production of silk. Remaining some quantity we will use for the production of adult moths. So that again it will lay the eggs. Again the cycle will repeat. Understanding?
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Sir, instead of that, like after the adult moth is after the adult moth is like comes out of the pupa.
Okay.
So we can take the leftovers, right? So it comes from the pupa, right? And it is made up of silk. So after the adult moth comes out, we can take the silk, right?
Yeah, we can take the silk, but whenever the quality of the silk is there, right? Sometimes the quality of the silk will decrease.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
And it will take more time, right? To come out of that moth outside the cocoon.
Yes, sir.
So to decrease the time and to increase the quality of the silk, we'll do the boiling of the cocoons directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a complete life cycle of the female silk moth.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, in the life cycle of the female silkworm, how many days does it take for a pupa to grow into an adult moth?
Sir, once you can show the slide.
Yeah, I already told you, right? 6 weeks.
Sir, this you will post in classroom.
Yeah, I will post these complete notes in the classroom. You can download from there and you can study again once again.
Sir, for this full cycle, how many days it will take?
So generally, for the growth of from the growth of the caterpillar, it will take 6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 weeks it will take for the growth of the small caterpillar into the respectable size. Then afterwards, it will take around 1 month or 2 months. I will tell you the exact dates next class. Okay.
Sir, the caterpillar will bite the mulberry silk, mulberry leaf for 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Mahavir?
Sir?
Sir, not me.
Yeah,
Hello,
Aditi? Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, you can ask me.
Sir, how many days or weeks does it take to pupa to grow into an adult?
How many days it will grow? So it will take almost around 15 days, I think. Okay. I will tell you the exact dates next class. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a respectable life cycle I have given for you. Exact dates I will tell you in next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now, any doubts in the life cycle of female silk moth?
No, sir.
What are the 4 important stages in the female life cycle of female silk moth?
Egg, larva, pupa,
Egg,
and
larva,
Okay.
pupa, and adult.
Laying of the eggs, formation of the larva,
Sir, eggs, larva, cocoon,
and the formation of the pupa stage. After the pupa, it grows into the adult moth again. Again, the adult moth
but the
will mate
cocoon,
each other and will form the.
they
Again, it
take
will
the
lays
silk from the
eggs.
cocoon, sir.
Yeah. Now we will go for the point to point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you can see here. First, what is the first stage? A female
Sir,
moth lays 500 to 1000 eggs on the green leaves of mulberry trees. We discussed this one. Yeah, around 500 to 1000 eggs it will lays, each female moth.
Sir, in one leaf?
Yeah. One moth will lays these many eggs.
Sir, in one time, sir.
Not in one time, in some days.
Sir, it will lay on. Sir, it will lay on 1000 eggs only in one leaf.
You can say as a tree, right? Mulberry tree only they said. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen after that? The moth begins its life
Eggs, milk, and
as a fertilized egg. What is the meaning of fertilized?
that means it is like fertilized. Means it has given some nutrients to grow fast.
No.
Like how
Fertilized
farmers
means what?
do this, for farms.
The eggs, the inside part of the eggs will convert into the larvae, right? The inside part of the eggs will convert into larvae part, right?
Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
For the growth of the larvae. That is called then fertilization. Okay.
Sir.
Then what will happen? The worms will grow quickly while feeding on the mulberry leaves.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see the image of the feeding. How
Yes,
the
sir.
larvae is feeding on the mulberry leaves.
Yes, sir.
Then afterwards, what will happen? This caterpillar is called as a silkworm.
Silkworm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it will contain the 2 silk glands. How many glands?
2 silk glands.
What are those? What are those silk glands?
Sir, one. Sir,
fibron and sericin.
Sir, fibron and sericin.
fibrin and sericin, two important glands will be there along the sides of the head of its body. I have shown you, right, already. What is the black color marks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can see here.
Sir, and the caterpillar, before going to the cocoon, it spins its head side by side 8 times.
Yeah, it will swing side by side. That's why